Welcome to AI News Pulse. Here's what you need to know.
Welcome to AI News Pulse, where we break down the biggest developments in artificial intelligence and what they mean for the future. Today, we're looking at something straight out of science fiction: AI-powered drones and autonomous rescue systems. And if recent reports are any indication, these technologies may be moving from experimental projects to real-world applications faster than many people expected. The big story. Recent reports have highlighted the growing role of autonomous systems in military and rescue operations. One reported example involved an autonomous surface vessel, essentially an AI-powered drone boat, being used to help recover downed aviators in a maritime environment. While specific operational details have drawn attention, it showcases what next-generation rescue technology may be capable of. So, what is an AI drone boat? Unlike aerial drones, autonomous surface vessels operate on the water. These systems can navigate independently, monitor large areas, carry supplies or equipment, coordinate with human operators, operate in conditions that may be risky for human crews. Some modern vessels are designed to travel at high speeds while using onboard sensors and AI to understand their surroundings. So, why does this matter? The real story isn't one specific mission, it's the technology behind it. Imagine an emergency situation where every minute counts. Conditions are dangerous. Human responders are far away. An autonomous system could potentially reach the scene quickly, locate survivors, provide flotation equipment, relay real-time information, assist rescue teams. That's a powerful capability. Here is the future of search and rescue. Whether on land, sea, or in the air, AI systems are increasingly being developed to assist with disaster response, maritime rescue, missing person searches, environmental monitoring, emergency logistics. The goal isn't replacing human rescuers, it's helping them respond faster and more effectively. Here is what to watch for. As these technologies advance, there are important questions. How reliable are autonomous systems? How much decision-making should AI handle? What safeguards are needed? How do humans stay in control? These questions will shape the future of robotics and AI deployment. Here's the bottom line: AI-powered drones, robotic vehicles, and autonomous vessels are rapidly evolving. Whether they're supporting emergency response, search and rescue operations, scientific research, or other missions, they're giving us a glimpse into a future where intelligent machines help humans operate more safely and efficiently. And that's a trend worth watching. Thanks for joining us on AI News Pulse. If you enjoyed today's episode, share it with someone interested in AI, robotics, and the future of technology. And I'll see you next time on AI News Pulse.